Sige. Okay. So ayan, live na po tayo sa ating Facebook page. So sa mga nag-tune in po sa atin diyan sa Academy's Facebook page, kaway-kaway po sa inyo. Okay? Hello po sa inyo. So thank you for tuning in sa ating finale, okay, event ng ating Academy Awards for 2024. Okay, sa ngayon po, kami ni Hana, we will be introducing yung purpose, no, ng ating event for today, no. Kung bakit natin ginagawa itong Entrepreneur Academy Awards, no, every year. So ano ba yung pinaka-purpose nito? So Hana, let's give them the purpose, no. So ang purpose ng Academy Awards is for us to celebrate the entrepreneurial spirit and recognize Academy and starting and growing my business graduates who are successfully applying business principles we advocate in the Academy.
Yes, and sa this year's Academy Awards, we will also be recognizing for the first time yung mga chapters who have made a significant impact po on their members.
Okay. And having said that, no, we will just review kung ano po yung nangyari netong week-long event natin. By the way, sa mga friends po natin na nag-join lang bago ngayon, so we hold this week-long event from June 22. Nagsimula po tayo last Saturday to kick off this wonderful event. And then tinuloy-tuloy po natin yan. Nagkaroon po tayo ng series of webinars and marami po tayong mga lessons na natutunan up until today po, no? And of course, we also hold yung ating Search for Entrepreneur of the Year, no? Meron po tayong 5 category. So mamaya, we are excited to announce, no, yung mga winners ng ating Search for Entrepreneur of the Year. So ito po, nakikita po natin sa screen natin. We kick off yung ating week-long event nung June 22, last Saturday, as I mentioned earlier. At pinaunlakan tayo ng ating keynote speaker, si Brother Sean Ritchie. No? And he talked about the academy, ano na yung status ng academy, and he shared some lessons to us. Then, sinimulan din natin doon yung semifinals round ng ating Search for Entrepreneur of the Year. Then nung Monday, binigyan naman tayo ng talk, no, ng lesson ni Sister Malu Pancho, DTI director ng Sorsogon. And ang kanyang naging topic or natutunan natin during that time is to connect with government and nalaman natin yung mga resources na pwede nating malapitan, mapuntahan for us to accelerate our business growth. And then back to back niyan, no, nagsalita din sa atin si President Ian Santamaria ng Manila Stake Presidency, no? Stake Presidency, first counselor and mentor ng Go Negosyo, no? And nagsalita siya, marami tayong natutunan how to connect with mentors to achieve our business goal. Then the following day, Tuesday, nagsalita din sa atin ang ating executive director ng Academy, which is si Brother Robert Hain. And ang kanyang naging topic is to build our brand equity. Tapos tuloy-tuloy din yon sa mga natutunan natin. Nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang simultaneous na session or na webinar, no, para doon sa mga starting and nag-grow ng kanilang negosyo. Pinaunlakan tayo ni Brother Jofet Fines ng boosting revenues through strategies and investing in marketing. Then, ka-side to side niya na nagsalita si Brother Dondi at binigyan naman tayo ng topic about protecting your business through management. Okay. And then, nung Wednesday, okay, nakarinig naman tayo ng talk about BYU Management Society na kapartner ng Academy in developing ethical business leaders. And then of course, natuto din tayo about taxes, about being a good taxpayer or being a good tax-paying entrepreneur, no? Yung mga basic rights, natutunan natin yon. Okay? Then, Sister Hannah, ano pa yung iba nating mga natutunan during the week?
Yeah, sure. Nung Thursday naman, we were privileged to hear from yung founders mismo ng AC, Brother Steve and Sister Beth Gibson. And they talked about this topic, a time to grow, why grow my business, and considerations if the time is right. We also had on that day yung online mentoring session kung saan maraming mga nakinabang, especially mga startups, no, to maidulog nila personally yung kanilang mga concerns or may mga tanong man sila about their businesses. And then later that day, meron tayong narinig from a finance consultant, si Sister Richie Bacchini. And this is financial data to make great and timely business decisions. So parang yung analysis ng mga financial data natin, no? Dun natutunan. And then the following day, Friday, which is actually the last day, no, of the conference week, it was finalized by a panel discussion ng developing strategic connections for personal and business development, kung saan nag-participate ang ating mga what do you call this, na parang guest consultants, tama ba? Yeah, sina Bert de la Cruz, Ed Feliciano, Lawrence Alcantara, Jovi Capa, Visitacion Cancel, Jillian Francia. So very thankful kami sa mga brothers and sisters na to.
And they've answered a lot of questions ng mga ano natin, mga entrepreneur natin. And alongside with that, nagkaroon din tayo ng mga coaching and mentoring during that week, no? Marami tayong mga industry, mga category on food, on real estate, on construction, and marami pang iba, no?
Ang
Na,
industry.
na iba-ibang industry, no? And all of our participants, all of our guests, no, nag-participate doon sa kanilang mentoring, and natuto sila ng marami by asking their mentors and coaches during that time. Okay? And of course, tuloy-tuloy 'yon, no? Tuloy-tuloy hanggang ngayon, no? Meron pa rin tayong ito yung pinaka-finale na event natin. Pero some of you may wonder or may ask, no? Sister Hannah, baka kasi yung iba sa kanila, Brother Nat, nung ano lang ako naka-attend nung kahapon lang ako naka-attend sa panel discussion lang, or nung isang araw lang ako naka-attend. So, meron bang way na mapanood ko yung mga other webinars or other sessions na na-miss namin? And ang simple na sagot diyan is yes, no? Pwede nyo mapanood. Just go sa aming Facebook page. That will be www.facebook.com/academyph. So that's Academy PH. Okay? Facebook.com/academyph. And then scroll nyo lang po doon sa Facebook page. And then doon nyo po makikita yung mga Facebook Live na nakapost po doon, at pwede nyo pong balikan all of those sessions na nangyari sa ating Entrepreneur Academy Awards 2024. And of course, wag niyo na pong kalimutan, kung nandoon na kayo sa page, i-like niyo na at na rin kayo, mag-subscribe or i-follow niyo na yung aming page. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, excited na ba kayo, everyone? Ikaw, Hannah, excited ka na ba? Okay, excited
Medyo
na.
excited.
How about you?
Medyo excited. Kasi
Okay.
yung akin hindi sumabit sa semifinals yung application ko Pero I'm very excited for the others, of course. And lahat, especially congratulations already to everybody, no? If you made it to the semifinals list. And syempre, yung mga hindi napili this year, we always have next year. So mas maganda kung pagbubutihin natin yung businesses natin ngayon so we can join again sa following years.
Yes, that's correct, Sister Hannah, no? Tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-grow ng ating mga negosyo. Hindi naman siguro ito magiging hadlang, no, na kung hindi kayo nasama sa semifinalist, ay, isasarado ko na yung business ko, no? So it's not about that, but it's all about our growth, no? Yung growth ng business natin. Okay, which is yun yung gusto natin na mangyari here in the Academy. Okay, so if you are excited, we are excited also. Pero before that, we will give muna yung time sa ating opening remarks. So magbibigay sa atin ng opening remarks for today. And ibibigay sa atin ng ating, yung opening remarks will be given to us by our area welfare manager, si Brother Abenir Pajaro. Okay. Brother Pajaro, President.
Magandang
We
hapon po
will
sa inyo
give time
lahat.
to you.
Dinig po ba ako?
Yes po, loud and clear.
Okay. Maraming salamat po. I'm very grateful for this opportunity for me to be able to participate in this finals for the Entrepreneur Awards of the Academy. So if I may just share the slides I prepared for this afternoon. Pwedeng pa-request ng screen sharing sa host, please.
Okay na po. President. Go ahead po.
So this is an image at a little over 10 years ago of Typhoon Haiyan, just before it hit the area of Tacloban, Leyte, and other areas. It was one of the strongest typhoons on record and has affected many lives. In its aftermath, marami pong mga nasirang bahay. Businesses have stopped, lives were lost. But in the middle of this destruction, the Lord has months ahead prepared the way. Yung pong self-reliance department po ng church was actually organized just days before Typhoon Haiyan hit. In fact, during the interviews for the applicants, parating po yung would be applying. One of the first, I believe the first director of ACE was Elder Tony San Gabriel. At that time, he accepted the position to be the very first self-reliance manager. And sa gitna po nito, magkasama po kami dun sa sa mission home na nasira at that time. And so nagtatanong kami sa isa't isa, ano gagawin natin dito? Sira lahat, sira ang paligid. And so we did not have any to the leaders and the area presidency, the presiding bishopric, and the local leaders who were there. Inspiration came in order for them to be able to start rebuilding lives. But in spite of this destruction, the Lord ahead of time has made it possible. Sent Elder Robert Gay, Elder Joseph Sitati, as well as Elder Mike Murray, just days after the typhoon, and helped organize the department. And nag-usap kami ni Tony at that time, anong pwede nating gawin? And so the laboratory for the very first self-reliance department So ang nangyari was that as they counseled together, it was the reconstruction of transitional shelters that was the decision. At nagtulungan silang lahat. And miracles happened, no? And so sabi ni Elder Cook, revealed truths from God, they are His way of helping the needy. And during that time, kasama din po among the ministering angels who the Lord has already provided ahead of time, si Brother Philip Tan mismo was then an employment resource manager. He stayed months dyan po sa Tacloban in order to help rebuild things. Si Elder Lee also participated. Many others contributed in order for them to be able to reconstruct and rebuild their homes and their lives. So pagdating po ng time na yon, our Heavenly Father inspired the leaders, the local leaders, in order for them to be able to assist those who need help. In Doctrine and Covenants section 84, verse 106, sabi, "And if any man among you be strong in the spirit, let him take with him that is weak, that he may be edified in all meekness, that he may become strong also." Kagabi po, as was mentioned by Brother Nat, some of our seasoned business people like Sister Soliesta, Brother Lawrence, Brother Bert de la Cruz, as well as Brother Ed Feliciano, shared their own experiences. Paano ba sila nag-umpisa bago sila naging malalaking businessmen? And I recall si Brother de la Cruz mentioned, ang nag-encourage sa kanya, if I remember right, was his father-in-law. Yun namang si Brother Lawrence Go, si Brother Ed Feliciano ang tumulong sa kanya para may makilalang maging kapartner niya. And now he has done so well, starting from dati he was a project inspector, he mentioned. Si Sister Soliesta, sabi niya, nag-umpisa sa kanya, although grudgingly, nag-encourage sa kanya yung aunt niya na mag-pharmacy siya. And that helped them be able to establish their pharmacy business. And so as we look back, brothers and sisters, itong mga very established, blessed businessmen ng kagabi, naging example natin para sa atin lahat. Nag-umpisa sila sa tulong ng mga taong nagmalasakit sa kanila, na tumulong para maging mas maayos ang kanilang mga buhay. Sa ngayon, we're into the finals, and so congratulations po sa inyong mga finalists, dahil hindi basta-basta ang hindi lang maka-attend sa finalist as a finalist, kundi mag-establish ng negosyo. Kailangan lakas ng loob. But our prayer, our dear brothers and sisters, is that as you propel yourselves through the help of ACE and other mentors, sana huwag kalimutan saan tayo nanggaling at magkaroon tayo ng pagmamahal sa kapwa para tumulong pagdating ng panahon na meron namang mas nangangailangan kaysa sa inyo when you've reached that stage where you are able to help others. Effective businesses, whether maging first man kayo or second, or whether you do not win a specific award at this time, panalo na kayong lahat sa aming mga mata dahil naabot niyo po ito. So, on behalf of the Welfare and Self-Reliance Department and the area office which I represent, we congratulate each of you for this achievement. Maraming salamat din kila Brother Philip Tan, sa lahat ng mga regional coordinators and everyone who has made this possible. May you continue to be able to build dreams for those who are starting to try it out, to provide businesses, to meet needs, to solve problems, and especially to bless their own lives, that they may be self-reliant and that they may be able to bless the lives of others as well. May God bless each of you as you do so, is my prayer in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen.
Okay. Thank you so much, Elder Pajaro, for President, for that wonderful message na binigay po sa amin para ma-uplift po kami, to have that entrepreneurial spirit and as well as yung ating spirituality. So maraming salamat po, Brother Pajaro, for that wonderful message. Okay. So ngayon, itutuloy na natin, We are all excited Bigyan na natin, Hana, ng ng mga announcement, no? I-announce na natin some of our winners dito sa Academy Awards natin.
Sige, simulan mo na, Nat.
Okay, sige. So simulan natin nung last Saturday, if you've attended yung first day natin or yung kick-off session natin, makikita nyo po doon meron tayong ginawang mga business exhibits, no, from different regions, no. Meron from North Luzon, meron from Central hanggang Mindanao, no. Meron 'yan. From mula Apari hanggang Huluyan, no. Nagkaroon ng mga business exhibit. Sige. So doon natin ngayon simulan yung announcement of natin, of winners natin. So we held a business expo, no, chapter with the most number of participants, no. So ito po, nung nagpa-business exhibit tayo, we announced na kung sino yung may pinakamaraming participants during the live business expo, so they will receive 10,000 pesos, okay, as a prize para doon sa pinakamaraming nag-participate doon sa business expo. Okay? And i-announce na natin yung winners na na-flash na kanina sa screen natin. Okay? Sige.
Tan 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 tan.
Tadadaan! Pagadian chapter. Woohoo!
Yay!
Pagadian
Congratulations.
Kaway-kaway. Tuwan-tuwa si Brother Ren, no? So sa kanyang sa kanyang region. So they held a successful business expo. Ayan, so makikita ninyo dun sa picture, they have held na parang no, na talagang masaya sila during that business exhibit. And they've showcased yung different entrepreneurs sa kanilang chapter. Okay, so maraming salamat Pagadian chapter and congratulations sa inyo. Okay. Then we would also like to recognize, no, yung we would also like to appreciate yung mga sumali din, no, doon sa business exhibit. Sige. Next slide please, para doon sa mga other chapters na also gumawa ng kanilang mga business exhibit. Okay? So kaway-kaway din and congratulations sa Tuguegarao North chapter, Tuguegarao South chapter, and sa Oton chapter. Okay, so thank you.
Yay!
Thank you for your participation. Okay, so eto na for the first category ng ating Entrepreneur Academy Awards. Sister Hannah, do the honors of announcing yung ating starting young entrepreneur.
Yes, okay, na-excite ako. This is the first category, no, starting young entrepreneurs. We're getting the entrepreneur of the year. And
Awarding.
I think yung mga categories, I mean the qualifications para dito sa starting young. So first, the candidate must be less than 21 years old. So actually, ito yung very impressive doon, no? Kasi they already have an entrepreneurial mindset at a very young age. Alala ko nung edad ko, less than 21 years old, parang banda-banda pa ako noon eh. Etong mga to, parang nasa negosyo na agad yung pag-isip. So very impressive. So less than 21 years old, yung business registration, hindi necessary. Business must not be more than 1 year. On April 15th. This means you started your business on or before April 15th, 2023. So, and the last dito ay you're able to pay yourself a salary of at least the most recent 3 months. So, February 2024 hanggang April 2024, dapat nababayaran na nila yung sarili nila kahit papaano, no, ng salary. So, ready na ba tayo? Punta muna natin yung mga finalists, yung mga nag-qualify. So, ito na yung ating list ng finalists. So, first is Nicole Cheyenne Gorospe of Cookie Delish by Cheyenne from Bataan chapter. So, congrats. Princess Gail Gumalang of, is this POD or POD? Home Prints, Pagadian chapter. Frances Kira Matabalan of Era Bracelets, Pagadian chapter. Ivy San Diego, GHS Best Craft, Balingasag Chapter. Ay, sorry, masyado bang medyo parang Amerikano yung pagkabigkas ko na Ivy San Diego yata pag Pilipino. And then number 5, C, Mademoiselle Jerusalem or Jerusalem of M's Fresh Buko Juice. Pagadian din to. Ang dami nating pagadian. And then there's Aliana Perez of Yanas Graham from Bataan. And then lastly, Kenna Klein Iwase of Waffles from Taytay Chapter. So these are our finalists for starting young entrepreneur. Sige, so nasa na yung drum roll natin? I-announce na natin yung winners. Ay, na-excite ako. The second runner-up is... Where's our drum?
Ayun na lang.
Oh,
Manual na lang. Dinaan na
Improvise.
boses. Improvise. Sige. Second runner-up is from Pagadian Chapter. Sino kaya? Ang dami niyong Pagadian dito. It's Princess Gail Gumalang.
wow, congratulations.
Yay!
Palakpakan naman. Virtual
Tayo.
clapping. Okay. Thank you. Pakikuha na lang ang iyong 1 million from... Hindi, biro lang. Alam niyo na yung mga cash prizes ninyo. Sige, let's go and announce the first runner-up. First runner-up. Also from Pagadian Chapter. So, ready na ba kayong first runner-up natin is... Her name starts with an F. It's Frances Matabalan.
Yay!
Ahan!
Two
Okay,
times na yung pagadian
nakakadalawa na nga eh.
Oh.
Sige. And ang ating champion. Paano ba i-announce yung champion natin? Parang kailangan medyo rin special eh. Pero
Oo,
sige.
sasayaw tayo bago natin i-announce.
Sige, gumanang-ganyan ka muna, Nat.
Oo, ganyan tayo.
Teka, nawala yung drum roll natin. Drum roll ulit, please. It's Nicole Grospe of Bataan Chapter. Congratulations, Ma'am Nicole.
Yay!
Yay, congratulations.
Ang ating Entrepreneur of the Year for the category Starting Young. I would like to give a little bit of time kay Nicole para to share her thoughts and her feelings about this. So, are you there, Nicole?
Hello po, sister.
Hi, congratulations.
Hello po.
Congrats,
Did you
congrats.
expect this?
Hello po.
Parang
Hello po,
naisip-
sisters. Thank you po so much po. Thank you po so much po para sa award po na to. Di ko po talaga alam na ako po yung makakakuha. Super surprise po talaga po ako. Thank you po so much po.
Wow.
Thank
Okay ka,
you.
okay ka. Sige, mag-grocery ka
Preparing
muna
din po
dyan.
kasi ako for FSY po, kaya po nasa supermarket ako ngayon.
Sige,
Mag-grocery.
mamili ka muna dyan ng
Ano po,
sir.
thank you po talaga.
Okay, nag-grocery na siya para sa kanyang cookies. Okay, pero napunta muna siya dun sa naglalaba muna siya kasi kukuha pa siya ng
Mag-i-impake pa siya.
Thank you po sa mga Ace Academy po, at saka thank you rin po sa kay Brother Nathan po especially po.
Okay. Thank you rin for joining and congratulations ulit. Pagbutihin pang iyong negosyo and we believe in you. So, keep growing. And okay.
Yan na yung ating yan na yung ating sound effects.
Pumasok na. Sige, so for the next category, which is starting entrepreneur, I would like to turn the time over kay kay Nath.
Okay, thank you Sister Hannah, no. Actually nakakatuwa, no, na at their early age, no. Kumbaga they already have that entrepreneurial mindset and entrepreneurial spirit. And of course, we would also like to encourage kung meron po tayong mga leaders dito in the church, no, we would also encourage na ma-encourage natin yung ating mga youth to really participate in entrepreneurial ventures, no, para natututunan nila at an early age yung pag-value ng pera. Okay? And of course, yung responsibility. Yan. So again, congratulations sa winners ng ating Start Young entrepreneur category.
Ano bang makukuha nila? Yung mga nanalo sa Entrep, ano daw yung makukuha nilang prize?
Okay, so yung price, nako, hindi natin memorize no? Pero pwede nating tingnan doon sa may category. So tutulungan tayo ni Bishop Rino, ilan nga ba yung price natin, yung makukuha ng mga winners natin para lang at least may idea yung um crowd natin, no? Doon sa price na makukuha. I think it's 25 million, no? Doon sa hmm, dollars, 25 million
Yun,
dollars.
dami ng cookies yun.
Oo.
That is 35,000 pesos for both young and adult
Okay,
starting.
thank you. Thank you, brother Reden, no, for that reminder, no. So it's 35,000
Ito to,
for
nandito.
champion. Ayan. So doon sa second runner up, they will get she will get 10,000, and then for the first runner up 20,000, and then for the champion 35,000. Pero doon naman sa mga finalist na hindi naman nakasama, okay, wag mag-cry sa pillow dahil meron pa rin kayong 2,500 each. Okay. So hindi pa rin kayo talo. Okay, meron pa rin kayong prize na makukuha. Okay, so again, congratulations. Sige, punta tayo ng mabilis sa ating starting adult na category. Okay? So this is starting business pa rin, no? Mga starting entrepreneurs pa rin, but this time sila naman yung mga 21 years old and above or 22 years old and above. Okay? So same yung qualifications nila for the starting young. Ang pinagkaiba lang is yung age. Okay? So hindi kinakailangan na naka-register yung kanilang business at saka yung business nila hindi dapat lalagpas ng 1 year. Ibig sabihin brand new yung kanilang negosyo, not more than 1 year, and then able to pay him or herself, no? At least the most recent 3 months. So from February up to April nung bago sila sumali dito sa Search for Entrepreneur of the Year. Okay? So yun lang yung pinagkaiba ng requirements, yung edad lang. Okay? So ready na ba kayo na malaman kung sino ang mga winners for starting adult entrepreneur? Sige, pakita pala muna natin yung mga finalists natin. Yung 7 finalists natin na nakasama dito sa starting entrepreneur. So sila si Laru Alcober ng Chuka Fresh Greens from Tacloban chapter. Right. And then si Charlemagne. Nako, sana nabanggit ko ng tama ang pangalan. Charlemagne Alisbo ng Adiras Siomai from Solano chapter. Then kasama rin natin si Juni Baco ng Sakanamitern Food Services from La Paz chapter. Nifay Sam Banyago of Helix Drugstore from General Trias chapter. Then we have Joan Legaspi, Ayas Aircon and Refrigeration Services, ang kanyang negosyo from Pagadian. And then we have Liesel Ramos, Maswerte Bags. Uy, mukhang gusto kong bumili dito para maswerte ako. Warehouse from Lipa chapter. And si Rochelle Sumadja, aling raketera ng Batangas Lomi sa Basaysay from Balanga chapter. Okay, so these are the finalists for the starting adult category, Search for Entrepreneur of the Year. Okay, ready na ba ang lahat? Okay, hold on to your seats and i-announce na natin ang winners ng starting adult. Okay, drum roll. Yung ating improvised drum roll.
Na lang ulit. Lamesa muna, lamesa.
Lamesa. All right, sige. For the second runner-up, we have from Lipa chapter, Sister Liesel Ramos.
Woohoo! Congratulations.
Yan ang ating second runner-up. Congratulations. For the first runner-up, okay, drum roll. We have Joanne Legaspi from Pagadian Chapter. First runner-up.
Ayan,
Yan.
natuwa si Sister Joanne. Nakikita ko siya. Nagdidiwang siya doon. Sasamahan ka
Oh,
namin magdiwang at pizza mamaya. Ay, malayo pala.
oh.
Kadian pala sila.
Kahit sa Pagadian, pupuntahan ka namin dyan. Okay, sige. And of course, our champion for the starting adult category, we have Charlemagne Alisbo from Solano Chapter. Woohoo!
Woo! Congratulations!
Right. Congratulations. Thank
Ang
you.
negosyo ni Charlemagne ay siomai.
Yeah,
Wala,
show.
siomai, no?
Yan. Adiras Siomai. Okay. So, we will also give her time, Sister Charlemagne, to give us some speech. Feelings mo, ano yung masasabi mo sa pagkakapanalo mo. Okay? Sister Alisbo, return the time to you. To shine.
Hello po, maraming salamat po sa mga finalists po and to those who came up with the Entrepreneur Awards for this year, sa mga bumubuo po. To God be the glory. Sobrang pasalamat din sa wife ko for her support and sa kanyang, actually ito po yung recipe po niya. So I also give equal credits po sa kanya. So sa mga couple po na nag-strive to do a business, take to it na the Lord is always at the center and we align to His will po. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Okay. And that is, nako, pagpasensyahan po ako ng malaki. Di bale, magtatago ako mamaya kasi sister ako ng sister. Brother pala si Brother Charlemagne. Okay, so pagpasensyahan po ng malaki. Okay, so
Thank
again,
you po,
bako
brother.
natin, congratulations kay Brother Charlemagne Alisbo ng Solano. Okay, congratulations. Thank you, thank you. So, yan, Sister Hannah, yan yung dalawang ano natin. So, dalawa pa lang yan, no? From the 5 categories na meron tayo.
Yes, correct. At so far, Pagadian pa rin yung pinakamarami sa kanilang nananalo. Naiintindihan ko na kung bakit sila yung pinakamarami ring participants sa Expo. Ang dami talaga nila. Siguro pati submissions ng applications for this, sila rin yung naunguna.
Oo,
Pero
so
congratulations. Yeah.
congratulations. No? So, diyan natin malalaman na ang Pagadian is ano, no?
Very active.
Maraming entrepreneurs, no?
Yeah.
So they really embrace the entrepreneurial mindset.
Katulad sa ekonomiya natin.
Okay. So thank you so much and again congratulations sa mga winners. Sige. Sige.
Ang next natin bago ka
patuloy. Wait lang ha. Sige. Sige. Tatanungin lang natin kung meron ba tayong tatanungin muna natin yung ating mga admin, no? Kung meron ba tayong mangyayaring paraffle ngayon. So, para magkaroon tayo ng konting break from the announcement. Are we ready with the raffle? Yes.
Nalimutan yata natin sabihin kung ano yung prices no winners for this.
Ay, sige. So, kung meron man tayong paraffle, at para makapag-prepare yung raffle, so sige, sabihin muna natin yung yung prices. Although nabanggit na natin kanina, the starting young and the starting adult entrepreneurs, parehas sila ng prize. So the finalists will receive 2,500 each. Okay, and then for the second runner up, he or she will receive 10,000. And then yung first runner-up, 20,000 pesos. And then for the champion, we have 35,000 pesos. Okay, for the starting adult entrepreneur. So, ayan. So again, Congratulations. Yan. Sige. Admin, are we ready with the raffle? Meron pa ba tayo ipaparaffle or iparaffle na lang natin yung price ng ng mga nanalo?
Nat,
Yes.
bago tayo mag-raffle, Nat, para may break tayo, pwede natin ipakita yung OBB natin.
Okay, sige, yan. So
Okay.
ready na pala yung
Sige,
ating
para
OBB.
sige, pakita lang natin yung OBB natin.
Yes, so i-turn natin yung time kay Brother Randy, the regional coordinator ng Visayas Region, para ipakita sa atin yung OBB.
Ito po yung celebration natin para sa ating 25th anniversary, ano? So ito po yung nangyayari sa Academy. Thank you po.
While Randy is preparing, o nga pala, no, we forgot, Hana, no, na special event nga pala itong Academy Awards na to because this is the 25th year ng Academy, no? Simula nung nasimulan siya nung 1999. Okay.
Ano ba tawag doon pag 25 years na? Anong klaseng anniversary yun? Celebration yun?
Silver yon, silver.
Silver. Happy silver.
So silver na tayo. Okay.
Started in 1999 with a school in the Philippines designed to teach entrepreneurs become self-reliant. The academy the emphasis on assisting returned missionaries and to all who wish to put their faith in action by applying correct principles in their financial and personal lives.
A student of entrepreneurial education said, "My dream is not to die in poverty, but have poverty die in me." And we're doing our best to have poverty die among the Latter-day Saints in the Philippines, and now Mexico and Brazil, and maybe the
Who
world.
knows? Where else? Now the Academy is in 15 countries and has more than members belonging to close to 1,000 chapters. The power of entrepreneurship is continuing to change and improve the lives of many of God's children. They are able to realize their potentials and more fully experience opportunities to bless their families and others. Since 2014, when the church launched the Starting and Growing My Business program, the Academy has become its primary partner in supporting SGMB graduates. The Academy started organizing and supporting business support groups or chapters.
Ako po si Charina Pigaloy. Dito po naka-assign dito sa Abra chapter. Nag-lesson po ako ng SRS program, SGMB, and Start Now. Ang pagninegosyo po namin ay maraming naging impact. Ang isa pong halimbawa ay yung mother ko po nung March 16, nagbakasyon po siya dito sa Abra na may sakit na po siya, mahina po siya. Tapos after 3 days, hindi po niya nakayanan, namatay po siya. Hindi po mabigat para sa amin ang mga nagastos po namin. Kasi sa turo po ng SGMB, yung pag-iipon po ng araw-araw, kahit konti-konti ay lumago po siya. Kaya nung nagkaroon po kami ng ganyang problema, hindi po siya mabigat. Magaan na lang po.
The chapters meet weekly to continue their learning of business principles such as the 25 rules of thumb. They develop action plans and are organized as success partners who help each other overcome setbacks and challenges, as well as progress on their goals and action plans.
Ang nakita kong impact ng program na ito ng Self-Reliance at Academy is tumaas yung tiding faithfulness ng mga members. In fact, dati itong Bangged, hindi nagko-qualify to have a bigger chapel. Nung nag-pandemic, nahinto yung sacrament at nahinto yung pag-collect ng tiding. Pero pagpasok ng unang sacrament, ang Bangged First Branch of all the branches here in Bangged District, siya ang nakakolekta ng napakalaking tiding. Sila, ang ibang branch, halos walang masyado pinagbago yung collection nila. Yung dating kinokolekta ng Bangged na amount, nagiging times 600%. Yun per Sunday.
I'm Harold Kimba, Stake President, Iloilo Philippines North Stake, Iloilo North Chapter. Ang impact ng training na yun is sa mga members is napakalaki talaga. Naging business-minded na yung mga members. Saka naging mas masipag sila sa paggagawa ng mga pinlano nila, anong gagawin nila out of that earnings na nakita nila sa paperclip, and pinalago pa nila yon. And until now, ang laki na ng earnings ng mga groups. So mayroong group nga na more than 40,000 na yung kita nila out of that paperclip, and ang isang group parang 30,000 na yata. So nakikita ko yung excitement sa mga members, and nakikita ko yung malaking tulong talaga sa family nila sa work nila.
That rule of thumb ng ACE is one of the reasons why we've been able to do it. We are small, we started small, but we're always thinking big.
Ang RM, malaking pagsubok pag-uwi. Parang ako. Ako kasi nung umuwi ako, masyadong nagmamadali ako palagi. Pag naghahabol ako ng panahon na yung mga classmates ko, batch ko, tapos na ako naman gusto kong mag-aral, masyado ako nagmamadali nun. Siguro sa mga RM ngayon, unang-una, siyempre, wag mo kalimutan magdasal. Pag-pray mo pa rin na magkaroon ka ng opportunity. May dumating sa'yo na opportunity. At kapag dumating yung opportunity na yun, kailangan mag-grab mo siya.
They have the heart to really help us Filipinos to rise above the challenges, daily challenges of our lives. And I'm very, very thankful. We started 2005 ng single proprietorship. 6, 7, 8, parang we get by, pero nai-stress ako pag maraming client. So therefore, nag-decide kami ni Sister Nun, siguro ang client ko dapat mga 3 to 5 lang. Kasi yung demand ng time, yun lang ang kaya ng katawan ko. But when I enrolled in the academy, that changed. With the simple training, actually it's not simple, with the training that we have had in the academy, ang laki agad, no, in-apply ko, ang laki agad nung revenue namin. And then of course, naturally, masaya si sister. Kaya tatago na siya.
Hindi magiging ganito kaganda yung buhay na experience ko ngayon, and also sa family ko. Through the academy, nakapag-start ako ng sarili kong negosyo.
Wow, ayan. So again, happy 25th year no sa Academy. So thank you Brother Randy for preparing that inspiring video. And then kung mapapansin nyo, brothers and sisters, no, we've invited you dun sa last portion ng video is for you to participate no with the academy. May iniwan po kami dong link and I will send that link diyan po sa ating group chat, diyan sa ating group chat sa Zoom. You may want to capture that no. Pwede niyo gawin siya mamaya no para focus pa rin tayo sa Academy Awards natin, pero nilagay ko lang diyan yung link so that you can register and be a part no ng success and ng growing, continuing success ng Academy. And part doon, kung mapapansin niyo, one of the factor ng success ng Academy is that we are building support groups or we call them chapters. So kaya yun yung isang, we are building entrepreneurial community no na gusto natin masuportahan natin yung bawat isa. So even you are an ACE member, even you are starting and growing my business graduate or nag-aaral pa lang na starting and growing my business or any other business group that you are in, so napaka-importante nung nabebelong tayo in a community of like-minded people. So that's why one of the factors of success ng Academy is binibuild natin yung mga support group na yon. And ito, ngayon, dito no, meron tayong 44 na participants dito. This can also be our support group, no? Na nagkakaroon tayo ng mentoring and coaching one with another. And nabibuild din natin yung network. And having said that, so that's why we would like to recognize yung mga support groups, yung mga chapters natin, whom we will call sa academy natin ngayon no, na or sa event natin ngayon as chapter models. Okay, tama ba Sister Hannah? We will recognize yung mga chapter models natin, yung kanilang performance na ginawa during last year or the previous year 2023. Okay. Sige, Sister Hannah.
Yes, correct, Nat. We're going to recognize those who are actively participating talaga in building their chapters, no? Yung kanilang yung todo yung effort nila to strengthen their chapters. So, each of these each of these chapters na I will be mentioning will be receiving 2,500 pesos.
Wow.
And these are
100.
Yeah, 2,500. So, pwede nang pangkain. Hindi pangkain. Siyempre, para sa kanilang team building yan, di ba? O kahit saan nila gustong i-allot yan. Model chapters must have demonstrated consistency of meetings in 2023. So, it should have been at least 80% no, na meetings na nagawa nila. They should have at least 15 in attendance per meeting, consistently ministered and mentored others on their businesses, and dapat they have been able to report businesses na nag-start nung 2023. So, with that said, I'm going to mention na itong mga model chapters natin. In North Luzon, we have 2 chapters here. Tuguegarao, hindi masabi na maayos. Tuguegarao North and Batak. So, palakpakan natin sila.
Right.
Great.
And we would also acknowledge Sister Hannah, yung kanilang regional coordinator, si
Yes,
Brother
of course.
Joel de Guzman.
Yun, thank you. I don't have the list of directors here, so Nat, i-support mo ako dito. Just mention them as I say kung saan area sila. Then for the Central Luzon region or area, we have dalawa rin dito. Sino kaya ang nito? Regional coordinator. Hindi ko alam natin. Sino bang Central Luzon? Sino ba yan?
Yung pinaka-pogi yata na na regional coordinator, yung naka-coat pa at saka naka-necktie na regional coordinator.
Sige na,
So si Brother Nat Reyes. That's my area.
Sige, papayag na lang ako kasi I think pinili nyo yung aking steak. Marikina East is one. Woo! May pang pizza na tayo, guys. Kaya Jessie, naman. Congratulations to my home state, Marikina East. And the other one is Balanga. So, congratulations, Balanga.
Alright. Wala
Right.
wala kang magagawa, Hana, kasi tayong may hawak ng mic eh. Kaya anything goes to. Sasabihin ko, yun.
Siguro nga, huwag naman
Okay.
ganun, walang bias. Sige.
Oo.
Next natin ay South Luzon and Eastern Visayas areas. So, we have 3 para dito sa areas na to.
Yes.
San Pablo, Nagcarian. So, congratulations. We
Right.
also have Lipa. So, Lipa chapter, very good. And we also have San Gabriel. So, San
Yes.
Gabriel,
And
congratulations.
congratulations. And ang kanilang regional coordinator ay si Miss Rachel Sassing. Yan.
Congratulations.
Okay. Congratulations, South Luzon.
South Luzon and Eastern Visayas. Now we have Visayas, and we have tatlo rin for this area. Iloilo North, Iloilo Oton, and Lapu-Lapu. Congratulations sa tatlong yon na chapters. You guys are model chapters, kaya maraming
Congratulations. You will
maraming
receive
sumunod sa inyong examples.
you will receive 2,500 each. So ang kanilang regional coordinator ay walang iba kundi si Mr. Randy Pino, Kuya R.
Congrats. And lastly, we have the Mindanao region. And hindi na siguro parang hindi na nakakagulat. Pagadian. Kanina pa sila na-mention. Pagadian, congratulations once again. Very good, very active. And we have Santa Josefa. So,
Yay.
congratulations, Santa Josefa from Mindanao and Pagadian din, Mindanao.
Congratulations
Yung
sa
kanilang coordinator?
ang kanilang regional coordinator is si Mr. Reden Acosta. Ayan, siya yung kumakaway. Right. So, congratulations sa mga model chapters natin. And of course, we would encourage everyone, yung mga chapters natin to really do their best na para matuloy yung support group. Kasi that will be part of success, not only ng academy, but part of success ng chapter ninyo. Okay? Ng journey ninyo towards entrepreneurship. Okay? Na magkaroon talaga ng network, magkaroon ng support one with another. Diba? Sa simbahan, we always advocate yung accountability partners, diba? Yung brothers keepers. So much like with the entrepreneur journey, kailangan meron din tayong ganon para to keep us going and thriving. Okay. So maraming salamat and again, congratulations.
Congratulations ulit sa ating mga model chapters. And I'm gonna turn the time over kay Nat for the growing entrepreneur category naman. Sa iyo ko talaga ipapasa to, Nat, kasi nga dito ako sumemplang, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa iyo.
Raffle muna, raffle.
Ay,
raffle daw muna.
Okay. Sana
Raffle
naman di
muna.
ako sumemplang dito. Hindi ako maswerte sa raffle eh. Pero tingnan natin.
Okay.
Mamigay muna
So,
tayo ng t-shirt. Okay.
So raffle muna. So we will turn the time kanina natin turn yung time kay Bishop Rino,
Philip.
kay Brother Philip to do the raffle. Okay, kay Brother Philip.
Ako pa talaga pinaraffle mo, ha? Sige. Dali. Screen share. Alright, so yung mga nandito, tinanggal ko yung judge kasi tatanggap na sila ng t-shirt sa atin eh. So, de judge ka na eh. Laro. Okay.
Yay!
Isa to
Laro!
sa finalist natin.
Alright.
Okay,
Siya
one
ang
more.
unang nanalo ng raffle. So, ang unang ipaparaffle, etong coat ko. Sa'yo na to. Hindi. Meron po tayong t-shirt.
Oh, isa pa.
Okay, yung necktie ko naman daw para sa next.
Charis. Okay, so note na lang.
Charis. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Paki-note lang po Brother Randy or Bishop Rino, yung mga winners natin. So kanina si Laru, and then ngayon si Charis. I believe siya si
Okay.
Cha Domdom. Okay. So paki-message lang po yung inyong size ng t-shirt and ng address siguro, no, or contact details para mapadala yung inyong mga prizes dun sa raffle. Okay. So ngayon punta tayo sa growing natin. Okay, sa growing. So tapos na tayo sa start young, tapos na tayo sa starting adult. So now we will go doon sa next category natin, which is the growing entrepreneur. Okay? And while waiting doon sa slides, yung mga qualifications natin para dito sa category na ito. So sila yung mga merong annual sales na hindi pa umabot ng 5 million. Okay? Pero they are already growing business. So pwedeng naka-register or hindi naka-register ang business sa DTI or sa SEC. And then more than 1 year na yung kanilang negosyo in operation. Okay? So kung kanina yung starting less than 1 year, ito namang growing more than 1 year. Okay? And then nandoon pa rin yon, be able to be able to pay him or herself a livable salary. So that's beyond minimum na. And meron silang mga plano kung paano sila mag-grow, no? Nag-present sila ng mga growth plan nila. Okay? And they be able to show reasonable time of increasing revenue to justify yung mga direction ng business growth nila. Okay? So ayan po. So pakita natin yung mga finalist, yung mga pumasok sa final stage ng growing entrepreneur category. Sina Bishop James Bada ng Carfinity Stickers and Auto Detailing Services from Tandang Sora or Quezon City Chapter. Si Sister Charis May Domdom ng Ray and Cha Events Stylist from Taguig Chapter. Andiyan din si Sister Mary Ann Jonah Lariosa ng TE Carling's Food Product from Santa Josefa. Bernadette Miraflor ng Pasalan Farm, Amlan from Tanhay Chapter. Mary Ann Perez ng Tolls Food Cart from Bataan Chapter. Almira Fe Ramiro of Momenta Cinema Photography and Videography Services from Taguig Chapter. And si Brother Alfredo Villosino, Winter Quarters Food Products Manufacturing ng San Gabriel Chapter. Okay, so sila yung mga nakapasok sa finalists, and ngayon, we will announce.
Wait lang. Bago mo siguro i-announce yung
Wait
winners
lang,
niya.
sabi ni Sister Hannah.
Yeah,
Sige, go ahead.
Bago niyo siguro i-announce yung winners, baka pwede nating i-request yung finalists to turn on their cameras para makita natin yung genuine na surprise sa kanilang
Yun,
faces
mga
pag
reaction.
na-announce yung
Okay,
names
yes.
nila. Yeah. Kasi
Yes.
recorded to, di ba?
Ayun.
Parang memory na
Yeah.
ito. So, i-ano natin.
So,
Pwedeng yung
i-capture
pitong
natin
finalists
yung
natin mag-on.
i-capture natin yung mga reactions niyo, okay?
Yeah.
So, thank you Sister Hannah for that wonderful reminder. So, finalists, turn on your camera and we will announce the top 3 winners. Okay. First runner-up, second runner-up. Okay, excited ako sa first runner-up Yun agad ang unang binanggit.
Nakasmile na sila.
Second runner-up goes to
Dan 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 dan.
Dadadan. Sino?
Mabs, ang drum rolls mo, Mabs, magandang drum rolls yun.
Okay, banggitin ko na. Second runner-up, Alfredo Villosino ng San Gabriel Chapter. Woo! Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Nanalo ka ng jacket. Ay, hindi jacket. Cash prize. Okay. First runner-up. Okay. First runner-up goes to Bernadette Miraflor ng Tanhay Chapter. Congratulations.
Congratulations po.
Yes,
Okay. And then, of course, last but not the least, and yung pinaka-exciting sa lahat, na i-announce, which is yung champion ng growing entrepreneur category, none other than Almira Fe Ramiro ng Taguig Chapter.
Congratulations po. Ayan, nakita natin sa camera.
Congratulations. Okay? And of course, we will have Sister Almira to give her speech.
Hello po. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon na po ba mag-speech?
Yes, ngayon na.
Ayan, so, ako po ba yung nanalo? Kakabasa ko lang. Grabe, kinakabahan pa rin ako ngayon, pero hindi ko ma-absorb na ako pala yung nanalo. So, sobrang masaya po syempre, kahit sino naman siguro yung makakaramdam nito. Masaya po ako na opportunity na naibigay sa akin ni Heavenly Father na sumali dito. Actually, di ko in-expect na mananalo ako kasi first time ko po ito. Tapos, kakabasa ko na nga lang ng Zoom. So, siguro yung speech na isang bagay na natutunan ko sa pagbibusiness ng 3 years, actually, hindi lang po kasi ito yung business na simulan ko. Naglumpia rapper din ako, mga traditional business. High school kasi ako, nagtitinda ako sa school ng siomai, ng pastillas, ganyan. So, ang masasabi ko lang po, kapag gusto niyo po mag-business, itry niyo lang kahit ano yung maisip niyo. Eventually naman kasi hindi agad pag nasabi mo yun ang gusto mo agad yun na agad yung business para sa'yo. Kumbaga ay, kailangan mo lang siya simulan na maaga para mag-fail ka agad ng maaga para malaman mo ko talaga kung ano yung para sa'yo. At yun nga, yung para sa akin siguro is yung photography business. Kung hindi ko siguro sinimula na maglumpia, mag-siomai, magpastillas, hindi siguro ako mapupunta sa lugar na malalaman ko na photography pala yung gusto ko at nagbibigay sa akin ng ano. So yun, thank you so much. At yung sa ACE po, sobrang thankful po ako at napakaganda po ng program ninyo. Hindi lang po siya para sa mga competition na ganito. Nagustuhan ko po yung mga seminar, yung mentors, umattend po talaga ako doon kasi nandun po yung mga successful na mga entrepreneur na din na nagsimula din sa scratch. Sobrang inspirational din po talaga nung kanilang mga stories na nakatulong sa amin mga newbie. Kaya napakaganda po ng inyong programa at sana po ay marami pa po kayong matulungan. Dito po sa napanalunan ko, gagawin ko po dun is parang mag-expand pa po ng business which is yung self-portrait studio. So malaking tulong po siya para makadagdag para sa expansion or growth ng aking business. So yun, maraming salamat po. Sobrang thankful po ako sa inyo. Thank you po.
All right, give it up for Sister Almira Ramiro, our growing entrepreneur champion for 2024. Hey, thank you. Thank you so much and congratulations sa lahat ng mga nanalo. And speaking of prize, yung price natin, again, hindi natin memorize. Hindi natin memorize, pero nanalo si Sister Almira ng
Meron ako. Growing,
55
diba?
million. Hindi ba 55 million?
Growing entrepreneur. Alam ko yan kasi nga dyan ako sumali, di ba? So, ang second runner-up ay 35,000.
Second runner-up,
Yes,
35,000
petot. Ang first runner-up ay 65,000 petot.
65.
At ang champion ay makaka-receive ng 85,000 pesos. So, congratulations po ulit sa inyong tatlo.
Congratulations sa lahat ng mga winners natin. Okay? Sige. So, bago pala tayo pumunta, Sister Hannah, sa sa sunod na category, which is yung expanding, we would also like to recognize some of the people na nakatulong din sa success ng Academy. So, bukod kanina doon sa model chapters natin, there are also people who play a key role dito sa Academy na malaki din yung natutulong nila for the success and growth ng Academy. So we call them our volunteer consultants. Okay? So ayan, so habang pinaprepare yung slides ng mga volunteer consultants natin, so hopefully meron mga volunteer consultants na nandito. Those volunteer consultants play a crucial role on the scalability of the Academy's program. So sila yung mga nakakatulong sa leadership development, tumutulong sila sa sa mga chapter leaders, mga chapter presidents, mga chapter officers para magkaroon ng focus at ma-follow through itong mga leaders na ito. And they act as the success partners of the chapter leaders as they set and commit on goals to develop the chapters all over the Philippines. Okay? So yan po ang significant roles ng mga volunteer consultants natin. And ayan, again sa area ni Brother Joel de Guzman from North Luzon. So these are our makikisig at masisipag na mga volunteer consultants, si Brother President Bonifacio Galapia, Sister Rebecca Bulos, Sister Irene Villanueva, Brother Arnel, Sister Catherine, and si Brother Maverick Eugenio. Okay, so those are our volunteer consultants from North Luzon. Ngayon, dadako naman tayo sa Central Luzon. Sister Ella Cordova, Sister Wenny Navarro, and Brother Bans from Central Luzon. Okay? So thank you po sa inyong efforts. Sa South Luzon naman, yan, we have Brother Sherwin Nones, Sister Cheryl Lazarito, Brother Jofet, Sister Cancel, Brother Joshua, Brother Lyle Sassing, Brother Avincenia, Sister Ruth Dimaano, and Brother Ruben Riola. Yan. So sila po ang mga volunteer consultants natin for South Luzon and Eastern Visayas. Okay. Thank you po sa efforts na ginagawa ninyo. Para naman sa Visayas region, we have Sister Eleanor, Sister Julie, Sister Darlene, President Aaron, Brother George Alit, Brother
Aaron Democrito.
Spencer Perocho, and si Brother Sinric Kif Palasol. Yan. So sila po ang mga volunteer consultants natin sa Visayas region. And lastly, sa Mindanao. Okay. Thank you sa mga efforts ng ating mga volunteer consultants. Yan po, sila President Cloud Enyola, Russell Mayo, Sister Jennifer Marzan, and Sister Jomelyn Gumala. Okay. So thank you po. Again, ang gratitude ng Academy ay very great. Todo-todo po, no? Napasasalamat sa ating mga volunteer regional consultant. Thank you po. Okay. So, punta tayo, Sister Hannah, sa expanding
Yes.
entrepreneur category. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, balik na tayo sa ating awarding. This time, it's for the expanding entrepreneur category. Ang qualifications to qualify to be a candidate dito is dapat ang business ay registered na for more than a year na nag-ooperate. Annual sales should be at least 5 million and it must have employees and dapat makapagpakita sila ng increase na trend sa kanilang revenue. So, we have the finalists here. Are we going to show photos and business of their businesses or hindi na siguro? I'm not sure. Okay, so there. The finalists ay nasa screens na po ninyo. First is Mark Umandal Cayago of Kinulit, Manila and Hulagway, Manila from Pasay chapter. There's Alfredo Villalon of Jamila Realty and Development Corporation, CDO Central, Jillian Francia of Valiant Trends Apparel, and it's from Imos chapter. Cyron Sotalbo, Walk to Box, Nagcarlan chapter. Yolindina Havaluyas, Curdings Home and Furnishing Store from Ilagan chapter. And there's Carl Gonzalez, Titar of Lipa chapter. and Marjorie Cortado, CMLG Corporation, from Quezon City chapter. So, again, may we request those who were called na i-on ang kanilang camera so we can see your faces when we announce the winners. Parang ano, no, sa Oscars, no, naka-post lahat doon ng mga videos ng ano, candidates. So, ganda yung ganon. Alright, so, guys, ready? Ready ka na? Announce the winners? Ang ating second runner-up is from Quezon City chapter. She's Marjorie Cortado. Congratulations, Sister Marjorie. Are you there?
Congrats.
Somewhere? Naka-on ba yung kanyang cam? Hindi ko siya nakikita. I hope so. Congratulations. Sige po. And then the first runner-up is from Nagcarlan chapter, Cyron Robin Sotalbo. Congratulations po. Walk to Box ang kanilang business. At nakikita ko po sila sa camera. Congratulations po. And finally, our champion. Tinitingnan ko kung nakikita ko sila ngayon. Parang hindi. Pero ang champion natin ay from Imus chapter, Jillian Francia, Valiant Trends Apparel. Congratulations po, Jillian. Congratulations
Sa
ating
mga winners
expanding
natin.
entrepreneurs. Yes. Sige po. Pwede nyo na pong i-claim ang inyong trophy. Punta po kayo dito. Sige po. Sige po. So, yun po ang ating winners for Expanding Entrepreneur, and their awards ay the same lang as our Growing Entrepreneurs. Champion will receive 85,000 pesos. First runner-up is 65,000 and second runner-up po ay 35,000 pesos. So, ayan po ang ating
Sige.
family.
Let's invite Sister Jillian sa speech habang papunta siya sa kanyang vacation. Ginamit niya na kagad yung price niya. Sige, Sister Jillian.
Kanina pa po ako nawawala sa Zoom kasi po nasa biyahe from chapel. From chapel to chapel po ko ngayon. Sobrang saya ko po. Thank you so much po from Academy of Creating Enterprise. Naalala ko po yung year 2019 na nalo po kami ng husband ko ng startup. So, 2019 po yun ng second runner-up. So, 5 years later, nandito po ko ulit. So, sobrang laking tulong po sa amin ng husband ko. Yung academy, yung principles po natutunan po namin. We started po with zero capital kasi po newly married couple kami back then. And dahil po sa ACE, ay natutunan po namin how to start small and think big. And we know po that all things na binibigay po sa amin ay kay Heavenly Father po yun. And we are just stewards po sa business na ipinagkaloob niya sa amin. So thank you so much po ulit and congratulations din po sa mga fellow winners po. Thank you po.
Congratulations po ulit, Sister Jillian. Parang sabi niya, chapel to chapel daw sila ngayon, no? Parang dinasalan niya lahat ng chapels para tapos nakuha niya yung price, yung top price. So, congratulations po, Sister Jillian. Pwede na po kayong mawala-wala ulit. So anyway, bago po tayo dumako sa ating exciting, hindi naman siguro pinaka-exciting, pero ito kasi yung pinakamalaking cash prize, di ba? Yung mga inugatan na sa kanilang negosyo, mga talagang nagtatagumpay na sa kanilang negosyo. I think we will have an impact video na before the Master Entrepreneur meeting. Tama po ba?
Yan na yung napanood natin kanina na
Okay.
pinakita ni Brother Randy.
Okay. Sige po.
Okay, so dediretso na tayo ngayon sa ating Master Entrepreneur category. So, sige, i-flash na natin yung ating Master Entrepreneur category.
Nat, before yan, Nat, wala
ang
bang
mga-
kakanta, Nat?
Tumakas. Ay, hindi.
Wala, hindi nag-online.
Hindi na yun. Sige. Okay, sige. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Wala. Tanong natin si siya nanalo sa... Hindi, joke lang. Sige. Yung kakanta next year na lang daw sa ating Entrepreneur Academy. Sige. So, ang Master Entrepreneur natin, ito yung mga kagaya ng binanggit ni Sister Hannah kanina, yung mga matatagal na sa negosyo. So, they already have their employees. Meron silang mga annual sales na hindi bababa ng 15 million. Especially ending nung 2023, hindi siya bumaba ng 15 million. And of course, dapat registered ito sa DTI or SEC and shall demonstrate an increasing trend in revenue in the recent 12-month period. And then meron siyang mga existing management systems para mapakita ang sustainability ng business niya in operations, financial, sales and marketing, and human resources. And meron siyang audited financial statement for the past 3 years. Okay, so ito yung mga finalists natin. Pakita po natin yung mga finalists para sa Master Entrepreneur. Meron po tayong 6 na nakapasok, okay, for the Master category. We have Paul Ryan Gusay of Strong Luck Bricks from CDO. We have Sister Amalin Buenavista of AL Buenavista Enterprises ng Antipolo Chapter. We have Jose Felito Fines of Famco Retail Incorporated, Nasugbu Chapter. Godofredo Nolasco ng Piso Medical Clinic and Laboratory from Bogo Chapter. We have Regidor Acosta of Rising Eagle Construction, Santiago South Chapter, and Joel Sarsaba, Trenton Construction and Development from Cebu City Chapter. Okay, so sila po yung mga finalists for the Master category. Sige, ready na ba kayo to know kung sino yung mga nanalo for the Master Entrepreneur? Yan. So ito na po yung mga winners. Second runner-up goes to Brother Godofredo Nolasco Jr. from Bogo Chapter. Congratulations. Okay, so hopefully naka-turn on mga camera ninyo para ma-capture yung mga reaction. And the first runner-up goes to Sister Amalin Buenavista of Antipolo Chapter. Woohoo! Congratulations. And of course, ang ating champion, Brother Jospelito Fines ng Nasugbu Chapter. Congratulations. Yan. So bibigay natin ngayon yung time kay Brother Joffet, kay Brother Jospelito ng ating champion for the Master Entrepreneur category. Brother Fines.
Hello po, magandang hapon. Gabi na ba? Magandang hapon to everyone. First of all, maraming salamat for the ACE, for really pushing through projects like this that really, enhances and gives hope to us businessmen. Ang buhay ng negosyante, malungkot po yan. Ano po, nag-glorify lang tayo sa labas, pero for most cases, for most days, it's dark, it's painful. Minsan you question the things that you do. And that's just the truth. And ACE doing this, na-uplift yung ating mga spirits. And maraming salamat. 2017, if I would remember, nanalo po ako sa startup. Ito yun po yung time na nagtitinda po ako ng lugaw at ng tacos at ng perfumes. Those are also very hard days. And with ACE, naging mas magaan po siya at lagi nakatulong po siya. Ngayon po, isa po ito sa bunga ng ACE on where we are now. And I dedicate my time, my expertise to return back to ACE and to inspire people and to help them also believe. Kasi ako po talagang I want to be true and honest. Mahirap at malungkot po ang magnegosyo. Malaya po tayo sa oras. We have excess funds. We can go around. Pero sa negosyo talagang mahirap kapag hindi po tayo passionate dahil laging maraming problema. And maraming salamat to our judges earlier Maraming salamat for all the volunteers who really made this possible. Napakaganda po ng 25th year anniversary ng ACE. Hindi man po tayo physically present, but the spirit and the energy of everyone is there. Nakikita ko palagi na naka-on po yung nakikita ko yung mga mukha ng mga viewers natin ngayon. To our 44 million viewers, ano po, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. And maraming salamat po to everyone who composed of ACE, the Philippine team. Brother Philip Tan, maraming salamat. Sister Rachel Sasing, maraming salamat. And also with everyone who are here. Again, I dedicate my time. I dedicate my my expertise for ACE. Gamitin niyo po ako. We are here to inspire and I'm here to help as well. Again, maraming salamat po. This is such a big thing for me. Maraming salamat and more power to ACE and more power to everyone at more power sa ating mga negosyante. Mas marami pa tayong mabless na mga buhay ng mga tao. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat, Brother Jofet, our master Master Entrepreneur Champion for 2024. Woo! Congratulations. Nung binanggit ni Brother Jofet pala, yung sinabi niya na gamitin niyo ako, naalala ko yung mga salita din ni Brother Joel, no? Yung use me and abuse me. Yon. So, yun ang gagawin namin sa iyo, Brother Jofet. I-abuse ka namin. So, humanda ka. Okay. Thank you, Brother Jofet, for those inspiring words. And again, congratulations sa lahat po ng winners. Congratulations po sa ating lahat. And mabuhay po ang mga negosyante ng community po natin, especially yung mga negosyante po ng Latter-day Saints. Hannah, anything that you want to add?
Just congratulations po ulit sa lahat. Siguro ang pinaka take away ko sa buong experience na to with me preparing din sa EAA din po, no, is that I saw where I needed improvement, 'di ba? Lalo na sa mga hindi nasama sa semifinals or kahit nasa semifinals tas hindi naging finalist, hindi na pumasok sa top 3. It's okay, you know, we can diagnose yung sickness ng ating business in places where we can improve, and I hope that's how I feel, and I hope it's the same for everyone po, na wag lang panghinaan ng loob sa kanilang negosyo, and bagkus ma-inspire pa na pag-igihan at saka ayusin po ang kanilang negosyo. So everybody's a winner. We got lessons and the rest got prizes. So congratulations po sa lahat. Salamat po.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong attendance, and hopefully hindi po dito matapos yung ating learning, hindi dito matapos yung ating fun, no, yung ating entrepreneurial spirit, but we continue to thrive, no? We continue to light up yung entrepreneurial fire natin at tuloy-tuloy na magsuportahan tayo sa bawat isa. Okay? Continue to follow yung ating Facebook page, register doon sa ating portal, and contact us, regional coordinators, no? Handa kaming tumulong to continue yung mga trainings and seminars na para tuloy-tuloy ang ating learning, yung ating lifelong learning, especially sa entrepreneurial journey natin. Okay? So again, maraming salamat everyone. Thank you for joining, and to end yung ating finale session ngayon, no, we will be hearing two final messages, no, ng program natin ngayon. So we will hear a congratulatory message from Elder Carlos Revillo Jr. Then pagkatapos po ng kanyang message, closing remarks will be given to us by Brother Franco Advincula, ating pong WSR head. Okay. So Brother Philip, yung video po ni Elder Revillo.
You'll request Brother Franco to, nag-request siya kung pwedeng siya yung mauna.
Okay po. So, switch lang natin. Okay? Sige.
Magandang hapon po sa 43 million viewers. It's really great afternoon and really wonderful opportunity to be here. Many of us dream of successful career and a wonderful family. We dream of that day when we can contribute to the community by building better lives. We dream of many beautiful things and experiences in life. However, we often wonder how to make our dreams come true. I believe it has been discussed throughout the entire conference. We in the WSR department in the Philippines area joined the Academy in commemorating the Academy for Creating Enterprise 25 years of success. We celebrate the many years during which dreams were realized, continuously nurtured, and flourished. The Academy of Creating Enterprise is an esteemed partner that helps members of the church build a community of self-reliant individuals through income-generating activities and entrepreneurship. Our years of partnership have transformed many lives and lifted people out of poverty. Together, we continue to provide opportunities. Our latest collaboration happens every month during the MyPlan Conference for Returned Missionaries. The Academy's presence in the MyPlan Conference provided returned missionaries the opportunity to look into entrepreneurship as a viable path towards self-reliance and in promoting personal responsibility. This time, we congratulate all the Entrepreneurs Academy Awards, winners, and participants. May your success continue to inspire startups, inspire others to expand, inspire others to touch lives, and continue to make a difference in the communities. We acknowledge the sleepless nights of preparation, efforts, and commitments that made this conference possible. Thank you for continuing to dream and to strive for better lives. Hats off to all of you for your perseverance and dedication. This 25th year marks the beginning of another milestone, another journey to help members of the church dream. We express our gratitude to our Heavenly Father for all of these resources and opportunities. Once again, congratulations. Mabuhay ang Academy. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Hey. Thank you, Brother Franco, for those wonderful words that inspire us and encourage our people to keep moving forward. So we'll now listen to Elder Revilla's message.
Congratulations to the Academy for Creating Enterprise on your 25-year anniversary. Thank you for all that you do in helping our kababayans help themselves to become self-reliant. I am so happy to learn that last year alone, you helped more than 2,000 individuals start a new business. You are improving the lives of so many people. It seems fitting to me that you are celebrating your anniversary this month when we also commemorate our independence as a nation. We celebrate our freedom from the rule of other nations. For me, self-reliance is freedom, the opposite of bondage. The word bondage is mentioned many times in the Book of Mormon. What you are trying to help address here is the bondage from poverty, which many of our people are in, with close to a quarter of our population living below the poverty line. Thank you again for what your organization does in helping our brothers and sisters. The Academy is such a blessing to our people. I wish you all the best and more power to the Academy. I hope and pray for your continued success now and into the future, even for another 25 years and beyond. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you so much, Elder. Thank you, Elder Revillo, for that wonderful and inspiring message. Okay, so we would like to, dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating pong finale event, no, for Entrepreneur Academy Awards for 2024. So we would like to acknowledge yung presence po ng ating country director, Brother Philip Tan, and of course, yung ating mga regional coordinators who help make this event a success, and sa aking co-host, Sister Hannah Gelor, and to all of you, no, congratulations again sa lahat ng winner. Ni-remind ako ni Sister Hannah, hindi daw nabanggit yung prize sa Master Entrepreneur. So hindi ko nababanggitin, baka maglaway pa tayo ng ng todo-todo. Okay, hindi, pero banggitin natin, no? For the second runner-up, 50,000, ihabol lang natin, no? First runner-up, 75,000, and for the champion, 125,000 pieces. Okay, so congratulations. Sige po. So again, dyan na po nagtatapos. Pero bago po tayo maghiwa-hiwalay, magkaroon lang po tayo ng isang picture, no? Screenshot po ng natin, ng magkakasama.
Sana mapakita po tayo sa ating video para kuha-kuha sa pag-take ng picture.
Oo. Tapos gusto rin pala nating i-recognize yung mga nag-join po sa ating Facebook Live. Okay? So pwede nyo pong panoorin yung replay ng event na to after na matapos po yung ating event. Okay? So picture po tayo. Sige, sino ang kukuha? So ako na lang. Okay. Ay, ikaw na, Bishop? Okay. Okay.
Salamat din tayo sa mga judges natin dito sila.
Yes, oo. Dapat pala hindi natin nakalimutan, no? Our judges na nag-spend ng kanilang time and effort para po maging successful ang ating Search for Entrepreneur of the Year. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Okay po.
And pati sa ating mga speaker ngayon, si Sir Franco, si Elder Abe.
Yes.
Elder Pao.
And sa mga naging speaker natin sa week-long event.
Okay po, brothers and sisters.
Tayo.
Ito po tayo, dalawang group po ito.
Narinig ko na yung boses niya, no?
In 3, 2, 1, smile. Yun. Isang group mo na yan, ha?
Bishop Boys, magpakita ka.
Set ko lang ito kasi
Isa pa, Bishop Rino, dapat makita yung shades ko.
Yan.
Para sa
Kitang
second group.
wapo.
Okay po, para sa second group. 3, 2, 1, smile. Ayun. Thank you so much, sisters.
Thank you, Hannah and Nat.
Special thanks to Sister Hannah Gelor.
Interesting job.
Salamat. Yeah.
Okay, thank you po sa inyo lahat.
Have a great Sabbath.
Maraming salamat po. Ituloy po natin ang ating network. Let's communicate.
Good job, Sir Nat.
With one another.
Ma'am Hannah, Sir Nat, good job.
Siguro natin i-mention yung mga consolation prize para
nga pala.
nakita yun.
Pero doon kami mag-conference. Ako ang ganda. Thanks a lot, Miss Helen.
Yung mga starting youth, may consolation prize ba sila?
Ito siya.
I-announce na lang po natin, hintayin na lang po natin i-announce sa mga regional coordinators yung mga
Okay.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone.
Nadaling ko na sa airport ng mga bisita natin.
so much.
Salamat po.
On-site visit pa yung mga speaker natin.
Wow.
Thank you so much po. Thank you so much, everyone.
Ingat po sa biyahe, Sir Philip.
Jopet, congratulations. Ang galing.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Maraming
galing sa lahat ng mga winners.
Thank you.
Sa mga winners po. You deserve to be
Congrats.
Winners.
Albe, congratulations, Albe.
Salamat po.
Congratulations,
Salamat,
Charlie
Ace.
Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Ayan.
Ingat po kayo.
May walk to box tayo ngayon.
Yan.
Okay.
First runner Lagi ba?
May pagkain tayo, ha? Celebrate tayo. Virtual.
Enjoy the weekend,
Sabi
everyone.
nilang beses ka na ng first runner-up.
Ganda ng shades mo na ta.
Beses na yata ito eh.
Kita ka pa natin.
Ha?
Oo, saba.
Oo. Nakikita
Celebrate
pa.
na ako dito.
Oo, 3 beses ka.
Thank you, no?
Wow, ayun.
Ba, galing mo.
Celebrate na si walk to box.
Celebrate na
Sugod
eh.
na tayo.
Celebrate na ako.
Sugod na tayo kay Sir Simon.
Congrats.
Congratulations, sir.
Mr.
Sama na lalo.
Congrats sa'yo, congrats.
Galing.
We salute you all, winners. Lahat po winners actually, pero you deserve
Congratulations
it.
all of you.
Yeah.
Lahat ng sumali, panalo pa rin kayo.
Oh, at panalo din tayo mga RC.
Oh, panalo tayo.
Syempre.
Of course.
Oo.
Mavs, maraming salamat sa tulong.
Mavs. Maraming salamat, Mavs, sa sakripisyo mo, Mavs, at sa mga napakagandang mga graphics design mo.
Yeah.
Lahat ng mga RC, gagaling ninyo.
Sister
Salamat sa
Glenn.
drum roll, ha?
Great job. You know, Sister Hannah, talagang parang may ano, no? May chemistry itong dalawang to. Si Sister Hannah at si Nat. Parang chocomelt, parang ganun.
Nagre-repel po. Nagre-repel.
Hindi ba
Si Maverick, bully si Maverick, ha?
Akala ko sabihin mo
Tumawa
salt
si
and pepper.
Gumagaling
Tapos na ang trabaho.
Gumagaling si Nata.
But ano,
Oo, naunahan ka,
and-
Jewel, eh. Yung tuxedo mo, eh.
not
Hindi
and
ko
Hannah,
nagamit
good job.
ko, ah.
You did a good job.
Okay. Wag
Salamat.
niyo, ano
Galing.
lang si...
Guys, congrats, guys, ha?
Makakatulog na
Sito
tayo.
ko yan.
Mga
Makakatulog
pagpapahinga
na
na tayo.
tayo. Yay.
Makakapagbakasyon na.
Ayan, bakasyon na. Bakasyon na this. May travel ako next week.
Ako din. May training na next week.
Trabaho na
Kumain
naman.
muna tayo. Kumain muna tayo.
Kain muna
Oo,
tayo,
ano?
kain muna.
Eh, wala.
Parang walang instruction na kakain tayo sa labas, ha?
Umalis na si Bossing eh.
Tumakas na, tumakas.
Ano, nawala si
Tumakas.
Si Ma'am Q. Ba't si Ma'am Q
Nag-cutting
hindi
classes na
nagpakita?
naman.
Hindi, nandiyan naman,
kain muna
nandiyan naman
tayo
si
sa
Bishop
labas.
Rino. Oo. Nandiyan naman si Bishop Rino. Ano pa?
Sama ka,
Okay,
Sister
mami,
Hannah. Kain
pakibukas
tayo
ng
sa labas.
sardinas.
Pero virtual lang.
Pakibukas ng sardinas.
Oy, Sister Hannah, mas lalo kang nagbo-boom ngayon, ha? Ay, nagbo-bloom. Blooming na blooming ka
Pagkain eh.
ngayon.
Nakarinig ng pagkain eh.
I remember yung ano, yung
Parang ano, ha?
2022.
Parang nakabelo na to si Sister Hannah.
Ano to? Filter to. Filter to sa Zoom.
Noong 2022,
So,
sila yung
kung
judges
ano,
namin.
nakafilter para yung mukha ko. Not filtered para yung mukha mo, Nat, eh. Okay, guys.
Ayun, okay. See you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Good.
See you. Kailan tayo magkita-kita? Next month.
Next month tayo.
Next month, yeah.